Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Breaking Science channel. Earth is a very interesting and dynamic place. It's made up of different layers like a big onion, with the crust being the outermost layer, and the core being the innermost layer. The core is where all the action is happening. It's the center of the Earth, and is made up of two parts, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is a solid metal ball, about 70% as wide as the moon, that rotates within the liquid outer core. Scientists have been studying it for a long time and have recently made a surprising discovery. They found that the inner core may have stopped rotating for a short time and then started rotating in the opposite direction. This might sound a bit strange, but Earth is always changing and moving, so it's not that surprising. In the 1990s, scientists first noticed that the inner core was rotating differently from the rest of the Earth. They found that seismic waves from earthquakes took different amounts of time to go through the inner core, which meant it was rotating at a different speed than the mantle and the crust. However, in 2009, the scientists noticed that the difference in travel time had disappeared. This led them to believe that the inner core had stopped rotating. But a few years later, the difference came back, and they noticed that the inner core was rotating in the opposite direction. The scientists also looked at records of earthquakes in Alaska and found that the inner core appeared to rotate steadily until the early 1970s, when it switched directions again. They think that the inner core may switch directions every 35 years or so, and that these changes could impact the length of Earth's days and the behavior of the planet's magnetic field. However, not all scientists agree with these findings. Some believe that the inner core may reverse its rotation every 3 years, while others think that the inner core isn't moving at all. The shape of the inner core's surface could also explain the differences in wave travel time. In conclusion, the inner core is a fascinating and mysterious place that scientists are still trying to understand. It's always changing and moving, and we have yet to find out what impact these changes may have on the rest of the Earth. For now, we can sit back and enjoy the show. Thank you very much for watching. Support the channel with a like and share the news with your friends. See you soon.